Kiri kiutamnati kijache yo kutamnati yo kijache kutamnati Tina samba nengadla samba nonkulunkulu samba nensimbi ezinye siphethe uJesu siphethe uJesus hayibo yo Dikorijal Mokilinge Yeah. You come on. Aibo. Apelu kazinda. Yeah. What he say? Yo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Guys, banda ba attenda lisondo la Pastor Mporo ba right mara. They had the question le right Gabi leyo leonge mundana yitingqondweni ngokuthi bantu laba attend okay fine siyekele nenzaba ya Pastor Mporo kancane sibeqela because siya understand the situation yakhe siyambona ukuthi umuntu lonjani it's fine vele yena umuntu la nguye right but labantu bona laba attend lele sonto are they okay mentally, like what's happening with those people abamboni alobe wothi udzingalsito unenkinga. The fact that bona labanda bayibona into le wrong with their pastor, like it doesn't make sense for me. Someone even said ukuthi labantu laba attend lisondo la Pastor Mporo bane stress, like they're just there ukuthi Pastor Mporo to ba entertain cause we entertain nje kwayena uyijoke like uyaqula esondweni uyaqula uyarap esondweni and it alwa titize tisukume jayive kuphele ama-arthritis. Ngicela ubuke ukuthi lisonda lakhe ligqwele njani. Ngicela ubuke. Bonke labantu laba abadonsana ngithi shile manje thinking ukuthi uPastor Mporo like he's a real pastor to bangenisa ezulwini. Man, this is so crazy. This is really crazy. Hebana, I just watched this video and I was like to myself, labantu bona banjani that ngqondweni are they okay mentally? What's happening with all those people? Baqwala lesondo la Pastor Mporo as it because maybe he's famous, he's well known. Why but attend Lilia Sondo? It doesn't make sense to me. I don't know, maybe mina nginenkinga, but what he's doing doesn't make sense. Why evangelist? Why rapper? Why end all the things that he's doing is doing? It doesn't make sense. It's just funny. No, uthi nje umfundisi lo uthi makashoma faki live and my video sondweni nje uyiclown Pastor Mporo uyiclown and nabo labazalwane bakhe it seems like bayakujabulela lokhu umfundisi wabo akwendako and bona they don't see anything wrong. That's why makaboshiwe bagijima bayoma lapha ema-court bakhale nimqashelani siyakula because bona they think ukuthi he's a real pastor. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.